Okay, homework number 3 pa rin, item number 2. So, we have two functions. Your f of x equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 2 and the g of x equal to 1 minus 1 all over x. Okay, the first item we're looking for is the f plus g. So, this is a simple addition of the two functions. So, f of x plus g of x. So, writing the f of x, so this is your f of x, so we have x plus 1 over x minus 1. You add it with the g of x. Okay, so what will happen here is you apply the, the cross multiplication. So, actually, pwede namang ito na yung answer niya. Pwede din naman. So, you apply the cross multiplication, x times x plus 1. So, you write it. Plus yan. Ito naman, 1 times x minus 1. 1 times x minus 1. Then, don't forget all over the product of the two. So, we have x minus 1 times x. Okay, so to simplify this further, we distribute x to x, so that will be x squared. X times 1, so that will be x. Positive 1 times x, so that's positive x. Positive 1 times negative 1, so that will be negative 1. This will be all over. Kahit wag nyo na muna, unahin lang natin ito si x multiplied by x minus 1. So, pwede na natin pagsama-samahin lahat ng magkakamukha. So, we have x plus x, 2x minus 1 all over x times x minus 1. So far, there's no way for us to further simplify it or combine it. Pwede na ito. So, ngayon, ito at saka ito ay pwede din naman. Okay? Let's say, pinapasubtract naman. So, we have f of x minus g of x. Ang f of x natin is, again, from the given x plus 1 over x minus 1 minus g of x. You have 1. Again, pwede na pong ito yung maging answer natin. Pwede din naman, pwede din nating apply ulit yung cross multiplication. So, x times x plus 1. So, we write x times x plus 1 or x plus 1 times x. Kung minus yan, you write minus. Then, you have 1 times x minus 1 all over. Again, say x minus 1 times x. So, ito yung pattern. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Okay. Then, further simplify it. Ganun ulit. Distribute si x times x. We have x squared. X times 1, we have positive x. Ito, negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1. So, magiging positive 1. Okay, then sa baba, unahin ko lang muna yung single tsaka si binomial, x times x minus 1. So, mapapansin natin, merong makaka-cancel, x minus x. So, matitira dito sa taas will be x squared plus 1 all over x times x minus 1. So, wala naman tayong sum of 2 squared, so wala tayong special formula for that. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin for number for letter B pa lang pala ito. So, meron pa siya. We multiply the f dot g. So, pag dot, multiplication. So, maging f of x times g of x. So, rewrite lang natin. Ang f of x going from, ito yan, yung given natin. So, we have x plus 1 over x minus 1. Multiplied by ang g of x natin, balikan natin, is 1 over x. So, pag ganyan, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator lang yan. So, 1 times x plus 1, so as is. Dito naman, x times x, x squared. X times negative 1, so negative x. Pwedeng ito na yung answer mo. Or pwede din naman, kunyari ito, x plus 1 sa taas, hindi na pala kita. X plus 1 sa taas as is yun. Tapos ito, kung gusto mo, huwag mo silang i-distribute. Huwag mo i-distribute sa x. Okay lang din naman. Yan, itong dalawang to, parehas lang. Pero huwag naman yung tipong ito lang, ha? Kailangan pa rin mag-exert ka ng effort to really multiply them. Okay? Then the last one is pinapodivide naman si una ay si f over g. So, ito will be f of x all over g of x. So, sulat lang natin sino ba si f of x. Ayun. So, meron ka dyan x plus 1 over x minus 1. Then, all over g of x. 1 over x. Rule ng algebra. Pwede mo itong isulat na x plus 1 over x minus 1. Then, transform mo to sa division. Magiging multiplication yan. Kukunin mo reciprocal. Imbes na 1 over x, magiging x over 1 na siya. That's the rule of algebra. The numerator, you write it. From division, you make it multiplication. But, you reverse the numerator and denominator. Interchange mo sila. So, ang magiging answer dito ay pwedeng x times x plus 1. Okay, yung x muna multiplied by x plus 1. Then, 1 times x minus 1, x minus 1. Pwedeng ito. Or, again, if you want to distribute, there's no problem with that. X times x squared, x times 1 is x all over x minus 1. So, pwede din namang ito. Okay, and then sa kabila, so, sa letter E, G over F ang pinagagawa. So, that will be G of X all over F of X. Ang G of X natin ay 1 over X. Ang F of X natin ay X plus 1 all over X minus 1. So, again, rule ng algebra. So, you can write the numerator kung fraction siya. Multiplied mo sa denominator pero reverse. Ang x minus 1 ang magiging numerator. Ang x plus 1 naman yung magiging denominator. So, the answer here will be 1 times x minus 1, x minus 1. Then, yung x times x plus 1. Okay? If you want to distribute the denominator, again, pwede din po yan. X minus 1, x times x squared, x times 1, that's x. So, pwede din ito. Walang kaso. Either ito o ito, wala tayong problema dyan. Okay? So, that's the homework number 3, question number 2.